Let's also pull up this and see if it happens. Oh, look at that. It's converting. And boom. So now we did the hard work, and now this is a permanent command, and I can do this for any folder.
Nomaditsu.
So have you ever had this problem where you download a bunch of images and they are Webp? Which is a new type of image file format, but it's not very compatible with a lot of systems and programs. And it's super annoying because now you're going to have to go to another website, try to convert it, and then re-download the file. This is a site I've used often where I need to convert Webp to PNG, and it works fine, but you have a bunch of limitations. Like if you try to drag and drop a bunch of files in here, it will cut you off, I think, at around 10 files. Actually, let me show you that. So we just dropped in a bunch of files. Let's go even more. Okay, so this is all fine and good. So I'm going to try to convert and let's see what happens. You run into this error. You got to convert more than 5 files at a time. You got to upgrade. And let's see how much that upgrade is. So you gotta pay $12.99, $24.99, $29.99 for these conversions. But I'm going to show you in this video how to do it for free on your computer and unlimited, private. You don't even have to be online, and all thanks to the power of AI. If you're interested, stick around. So I'm looking to find a solution where how can we avoid all of that and just do it on our own computer and do it without having to go to the internet. So this is where I use AI and using Terminal to do things on my computer, have the AI generate the script that will do this for us. So here's my prompt. I have, can you give me a terminal script that turns all Webp files in a folder to PNG? I just want to provide a path to the folder and have it convert all the files in one batch. The new files should be saved to a new subfolder called PNG. And just in case you're unfamiliar, Terminal is like a command line interface where, let me just show it to you. So Terminal is this hacker-looking type interface, and it's all text-based commands. And at first, I was really unfamiliar with using this, but the more I use AI, the more comfortable I feel. And the more you ask AI for help on how to do things in Terminal, the easier it's going to be, the more intuitive it's going to be, and you're going to see how powerful this is. So let's see what happens with this. Okay, so one mistake I made already is I was in the writing mode. If you're so I'm using Perplexity, and we need to make sure we're in like a coding mode or the normal mode. So let me reset. Let's actually use reasoning here. Okay, so this is using the new Strawberry or O1 model from OpenAI, and let's see if this works. So we have this script here, and it says, so we need to follow these steps here. Okay. We have a bash script. Sometimes you have to save this to a file, but it says here, okay, let's install this first. So we copy that command and then we paste it into here. So it ran into a problem already, so just copy that. And then we ask a follow-up. So if you run into errors, that's the beautiful thing with AI. You just feed the error back and follow the instructions. So it's installing something. Looks like it's done, so we move on to the next step. Okay, so that installed. Now let's see the next step. Okay, so we need to install this. Okay, another error. Oh wait, let's see. Let's try this one if that didn't work. Okay, both not found. Let's copy the error. Now I might run out of reasoning credits from OpenAI. I have currently Perplexity has 10 max per day. Try this. There we go. So it's installed, it looks like. So we need to save this script as this file. So what I'm going to do is just copy this to clipboard. I'm going to open up a program called Sublime, which is just like a text editor. It's a code editor. Okay, so yeah, Sublime is it's a code editor program and it's free. So I'll put the info on screen where you can get it. And now we're going to save this as this file. And I'll just put it on my desktop for now. So I'm asking, where do I save this script file if I'm using terminal on Mac? So I'm going to save the file in scripts. So I'm going to follow this and just go back, paste, and now I go list or ls. So there's scripts here. Now we go into the scripts folder. Oh, that's cool. So we could actually paste the code into an editor that's built into Terminal. I've never seen that. So let's just copy that, paste that in, and then write the changes. So Control O. Oh yeah, there we go. Then we hit enter. Right out. And then we hit Control X. Control X. Okay, then we go. Let's make that executable. And now let's make sure Python is installed. And then it's installed, so let's go to install Pillow. I don't know what this is. And then let's run the script. So I'm going to give it a directory with some images that are WebP. So I have this folder here with a bunch of files I want to convert from WebP to PNG. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go one folder above this folder, and then I'll right click. Actually, I have to hit Option, right click. See this? You have to hold down Option key and then right click, and you'll see this copy as path name. If you don't hold Option, it's just copy. So copy as path name. And then we go back to Terminal. And actually we need to go back to our script and see what it says. So it says run the script. So we need to put this first, right? And then we hit space, and then we go to the folder and we hit Option, copy, and then we go back to Terminal and we paste that in. So here we have Python, our script file name, and then the path to the folder that we want to convert the files. And I'm going to put them side by side here so you can see what's going on. Let's see if it happens in real time. So we have the script, we have the files, and let's hit it says no errors. Let's go. I typed in so I'm just going to copy what I typed in. I typed in this and I saw this message, but no file conversion happened. So it looks like it might be the quotes. We need quotes. So let's do this. Go back. Also pull up this and see if it happens. Oh, look at that. It's converting. And boom. So now we did the hard work, and now this is a permanent command, and I can do this for any folder. I don't have to go to any website to convert my WebP files. I just have to execute this script. Anytime I want to convert WebP to PNG, I just right click. So let's do this again. Let's say I'll Option right click, copy, And then see there's no PNG folder here. So let's go back here, press up to bring up the last command, and then we'll put in our new folder over here, our new path, add the quote, and we should see another conversion take place. So I created and there you go. We now have a automated way to convert all of our annoying WebP files into PNG with one command in the terminal on our computer, offline, free. And you don't have to go to the web, to some shady website, upload your images. There's privacy concerns there, and then there's no conversion on the server, and then you have to wait, and maybe they're going to try to upsell you or install some viruses on your computer. Now we could do it all in the terminal on our Mac, and that's it. So hopefully that was valuable to you. If it was, don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, and share with a friend. If you have any questions, I know that was kind of a lot to take in. Just leave a comment below and I'll be happy to address any problems you come across. And that's it.
Nomaditsu.